All I know, all I know is that this motherfucking strip cord is the longest strip cord in the history of electricity-ness. This is like an extension cord. It ain't even just a strip. Why would you need it to be this long? I don't understand. What if some don't got enough outlets in one room? You plug shit in the other one, will still fucking work? What? I don't understand. It's like the fucking yellow brick road, dude. This is I'm cussing, but man, this is fucked up. This is, dude. I wonder how many motherfucking Marcus's crayons would it take to fucking make the same length of this motherfucking thing? I don't understand, dude.